Welcome back to my channel, where I'll be covering the secrets to business success. In today's video, we will be discussing what SEO is and why businesses are usually striving for SEO in 2023. So let's get started. Now you might be wondering why SEO is so important in 2023. Let me tell you one thing. In today's digital landscape, businesses are constantly vying for attention to their target audience. That is very, very crucial. With the internet overflowing the information, it is crucial to stand out from the crowd. That is where SEO comes in. One of the key reasons businesses strive for SEO is because it drives organic traffic to their website. When users searches for a particular product, service, or information, they are more likely to click on the top results, that is search. By implementing effective SEO techniques, businesses can secure those top positions and attract valuable customers and organic traffic. Okay, SEO not only brings more visitors to your website, but also boosts brand visibility. So when your website consistently appears at the top of search results, so it establishes credibility and trust in the mind of your potential customer. So this increases not only visibility and your brand to stand out and recognized as a leader in the industry. So this is how SEO helps boost your brand visibility. So another reason businesses are investing in SEO is the incredible return on investment that it offers. Compared to the traditional forms of marketing tactics like paid advertisement and other stuff, SEO provides a cost-effective solution and a way better approach for the wider audience. By focusing on target keyword and optimizing your website content, you can attract high-quality leads who are more likely to convert into paying customers. As we venture into 2023, it is very, very important to stay up to date with the latest SEO knowledge because Google algorithm is continuously evolving and you need to stay updated with the new and latest algorithms. By staying ahead of these changes, businesses can maintain their comparative edge and continue to reap benefits of SEO. And there you have it. SEO is the game changer for businesses in 2023. So by harnessing the power of SEO, you can drive organic traffic and organically increase brand visibility and boost your return on investment. Everything you have it in the one box. So don't wait any longer. Start implementing SEO strategies today and take your business to the new heights. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information valuable, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful insights. Remember, your success is our success. See you until next time. Thank you.